The second topic we will talk about today is how to build a building and see if it can withstand the load that comes on it or not. I will have two ways to analyze, either static-wise or dynamic-wise. In the case of static solution, which is the topic of our first lecture, we will do a simulation of the situation in which there is a car on a certain distance from my building. We will see how to translate this situation into a model that can be used in any software program. I will produce all the loads by myself using a code called Unified Facility Criteria. This code is approved for public release. There is a set of 14 to 16 charts that are translated into a specific curve. This curve will be the source of my dynamic work, or I can make an idealization of the curve and start my analysis. In the end, I will make a simulation of the situation in which there is a car on a certain distance from my building. The car hits the building, and the building is hit by a car.